Alright, completion is done. Leak free. Charged it up to 230 or 223 psi. Used our leak detector, Big Blue, the original, to look for leaks at everywhere. My son made this all up, so everywhere we brazed and at all our fittings. And then on any of our fittings, we use a little nylog. And remember, always stick extra of this inside the system. It lubricates expansion valves. This message is Ralph approved. Okay guys, don't listen to that. That's just a joke. For you guys who know who Ralph is, you know what I'm saying. For you guys who don't know who Ralph is, you'll find out. So always use nylog on your fittings. Do not use that blue thick leak lock shit or any of the other stuff. This is ready. You'll see this in a video tomorrow when we're working on, we're doing 3 of the LGs. We did one of those, a total of 4 LG 5-ton units, and we're going to be working on the other 3 because a couple weeks ago I think you've seen the video where I did the one that the isopolar has a leak in the copper, but none of the Mueller copper has leaks. It's every one of my jobs, the isopolar always has leaks, the Mueller doesn't have leaks. You tell me what's up with that. Pressure test, this is still going on. It's about 15 minutes later since we finished this from the first video you're going to see. This is video number 2, and I'm down to 114 microns. I'm going to leave this on overnight. The idea is to get this down to 30 microns, and we'll see where this is at, because this is going to go recover that job over on the 3 LG 5-ton units. That's it. See you guys on the next video. And this has been a really kick-ass unit.